What up, peeps? No? Alright, got Caden with me today. It is Saturday in the park. I think it was the 4th of July. That was the worst version of that song you'll hear today. We're heading down to the in-laws, working some more on the kitchen. I'm gonna bring Caden with me today, so I got a good helping hand. And we're gonna try to knock out some more of these cabinets. But first, we gotta stop by Beeline Feed and Supply. I got to get me a cheap monster. I'm gonna go ahead and get Caden a cheap sody pap. Little Dr. Pepper. I think they have Mountain Dew. You want Mountain Dew or Dr. Pepper? Probably Mountain Dew. It's early in the morning. Gotta get them spiked up first thing in the morning. Yeah. And then we're gonna go probably get some McDonald's biscuits. Yeah. Then we're gonna go to Nana and Papa's house. That's what we call them around our place. Michelle's mom and dad is Nana and Papa. So from this point forward, we're going to Nana and Papa's. I'm not referring to them as the in-laws anymore. It's Nana and Papa's house. So we're headed to Nana and Papa's house. Gonna work on some cabinets. So I'm gonna bring y'all along, let you see how we do what we do.
Okay, let's start.
All right, so the objective today is all these pieces right here. We've already taken out, show them all these, Caden. We already took off each of these. And then I've still got this one and this one to take off. And then once I get those taken out, we're gonna do like we did over here, where I'm gonna frame in all the new cabinet faces all the way around. And then we'll come back. There's a good example of it right there. That's what it'll look like once it's all framed in. It'll have all new faces around there. And then next, that'll probably be it for today, is just getting all this faced in. And then we will do the, what am I trying to say, Caden? The doors. We'll do those on another day. Yeah, exactly what it is, peanut butter. Actually, it's plastic wood, and I know it's upside down, but this is the only wood filler to use. Kylie. Hi. Hey, I'm back again. you saw the time lapse of what we got done today, so kind of just a short update video for you. And me and Caden were just sitting here driving around and looking, and man, there's a house that caught on fire right over here. I just got home. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it because of the sunlight. That right there, that is the corner post for my fence being put together. The fence man is here, which means as soon as he's done, I get to start stringing some barbed wire. Yeah, buddy. Which means y'all gonna have some fencing videos.